you are warmly welcome to my channel, The Dog Shield. First of all, I would like to thank you all of you for shopping my channel with unbounded love and support. So guys, if you are among those persons who wake up in the morning with a confusion that what to eat, what not to eat, or kitna healthy खाएं, kitna healthy ना खाएं, so I think you landed on the right channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys the most easy, quick, tasty and healthy recipes which can be repeatedly cooked in your kitchen. So guys, मैं इस vlog में सिर्फ आपसे recipes ही नहीं, वो equipments भी share करूँगी जिनकी help से मैं ये recipes बनाने वाली हूँ. So without wasting any time, let's just start with some epic breakfast recipes you have ever cooked in your kitchen. Let's just be with me in my kitchen.
First of all, you have to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, add mustard seeds in it, then add some curry leaves, and after that add the roasted peanuts. इसे अच्छे से मिक्स कर लीजिए till it turn golden brown. So instead of adding the fine chopped onions, मैंने onions का size थोड़ा सा बड़ा रखा है. Again mix it well till it turn golden brown. And after that आप गैस सिम करके इसको थोड़े टाइम के लिए कवर कर दो. You open the lid then और उसके बाद आप इसमें टमाटोज ऐड कर दीजिए. ये भी मैंने फाइनली चॉप नहीं किए, साइज थोड़ा सा बिगर रखा है. Again open the lid to check कि vegetables अच्छे से कुक हुए हैं कि नहीं हुए हैं. And if you feel like कि अच्छे से कुक हो गए हैं, then it's the time to add bowl of oats in it. Make sure to mix it well until the gravy of the tomato and the onion mix properly with the oats. Sprinkle some amount of water in it and then cover it with the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the lid to check whether the oats are cooked properly or not. If yes, then serve it with a slice of lemon. And here is your recipe. Starting up with the vegetable idli, मैंने idlis को idli cooker में बना लिया है. Freshly made idlis are here. एक कढ़ाई में थोड़ा सा oil ऐड कर लें, उसमें थोड़े से curry leaves और mustard seeds ऐड कर लें. Add onion, garlic, ginger and tomatoes. थोड़ा सा water ऐड करके keep it sim for some time. Add the chopped bell peppers in it and mix it well. Just look at the sponginess of the idlis made with the help of the homemade idli batter. Now put all the idlis into the vegetable mixture and then mix it properly until the idlis take the color of the veggies. Ta-da! I'm here with the vegetable idli recipe. मैंने ओवरनाइट डिप्ड ग्रीन मूंग दाल ले ली है. अब मैं इसे मिक्सर में ग्राइंड करने वाली हूँ और मैं इसकी पेस्ट बनाने वाली हूँ. एंड मेक श्योर जो पेस्ट बनाएंगे उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी कुछ ऐसे होनी चाहिए. एड ऑल द स्पाइसेस एज मेंशन्ड ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स. And here is your green moong dal chila. Add 1 bowl of the rice flour, half bowl of suji and half bowl of wheat flour. Mix them together in a bowl. Then add 1 cup of water in the mixture. Then add the tomato puree and the chopped onions in the mixture. And this is how my tomato dosa comes out to be. Make a fine paste out of it. Mix the batter properly and add the spices according to the instruction given on your screens. Add chopped onions, and then add the batter in the appam maker. And these appams can be readily served with the peanut chutney.